Hello everyone, welcome to Kachu Travels. In this episode, I'm going to be taking you to the southern side of Goa. It's about 6 p.m. right now. 6:30 in fact. I've just started from Bangalore about a couple of hours back, and it's March 31st. So Nandu's exams have just got over, and he's happy. So I'm just trying to see where we could go. Incidentally, a friend of mine was in Goa. I had helped plan his trip. And while planning his trip, I thought I should also go there. So we've picked a small village. He's staying in Talpona. I have to go and see if I can find a place there. So yeah, now we're on our way. We're somewhere between Chitradurga and Davangere. We just saw a beautiful sunset, and that's where our trip starts now. We've now got to go and see if we can stop somewhere to go catch the first match of the IPL between Gujarat and Chennai Super Kings. So it's about 10:30 in the night. I'm in Davangere. This is where I decided to break the journey for the evening. About 4.5 hours of drive, and at about 7:30 found a place by the highway somewhere near Davangere, and I decided that I will find a hotel nearby near the highway and stay here the night. And of course it's March 31st, opening day of the IPL, so I wanted a room that had access to Star Sports, so I decided to take this place. And this place is actually fairly decent in terms of the cost. It costs me about 2,700 to stay in this place. Of course, it comes with a television and all those basic frills, but I think the room service is something which is lacking. Summer mist here. Didn't expect to find so much of mist early in the morning. Starts playing this little error message.
Oops, something went wrong with the connection. Try again.
So yeah, no internet. We're just waiting to hit Karwar. It'll probably be 2 hours from here. I don't want to have a brunch. I will prefer to have breakfast. So far, no breakfast. Waiting to find a good place. So nearing the point where the road, goes, what the left goes to Ankola and the right goes to Karwar. I've come here, I think about 3-4 times before. So this means you've crossed the ghats. Actually, there's still a minor portion of the ghats still remaining. Let me show you how that looks. sour candy apple stick. I really don't want to, but Nandu's given it to me. We're right now having a quiz. So 1.5. I'm going to tell you who's going to win this quiz. We're listening to Quiz Time India. Nandu, that's the quiz podcast that we're listening to. I was leading 1.5 and Nandu was half, but now he's answered a question. So I hope I win this quiz. What do you say, Nandu? Trying to meet my friend Kishore. I've asked him to come to Karwar and then we'll
The
go
person
back.
you're calling is not answering. Please try later.